pepperoni pizza. Can I do 4 cookie skillets?
Yeah.
32 wings.
Famous steak frites.
Steak frites? Yeah, yeah. How do you like it cooked?
Medium rare, please.
Medium rare. You know.
Can I get like an extra large pita and a medium?
Yeah, can you get those all the way?
All the way?
Yeah, extra bacon too.
Extra.
And then like 14 large fries.
3 extra tenders?
Yeah.
Okay.
Three honey packets. Oh, 3 honey packets. All right, so you put